دي ترى لا عندك هذا الشيء شروط ده internal jugular vein and tributary of the internal jugular vein called the common facial vein. Internal jugular vein, internal carotid artery, external carotid artery, superior thyroid artery, branch of the external carotid artery, and the superior laryngeal artery, superior thyroid artery running downward, thyroid gland, hyoid bone, thyroid cartilage, lamina of the thyroid cartilage, superior thyroid notch and laryngeal prominence, thyrohyoid membrane, cricothyroid muscle, inferior thyroid vein, trachea, subclavian vein, interior scalene muscle and subclavian artery, subclavian vein, interior scalene muscle and subclavian artery. Third part. Liver, diaphragm, stomach, abdominal viscera, spleen, left kidney, left suprarenal gland, esophagus, esophageal hiatus in the diaphragm, and this is diaphragm. This is right kidney. This is renal pelvis. Major calyces of the renal pelvis and minor calyces. Renal pelvis, major calyces and minor calyces. Arcuate arteries and intralobular arteries arising from the arcuate arteries. Renal pyramids, and this is renal cortex. Renal artery, renal vein, suprarenal vein. This is celiac trunk, superior mesenteric artery, inferior mesenteric artery and abdominal aorta. Common iliac arteries and common iliac veins. This is inferior vena cava and renal veins. This is right ureter and this is left ureter. This is median sacral artery, which arises from the abdominal aorta just at the bifurcation of the abdominal aorta muscles. Diaphragm, quadratus lumborum, transversus abdominis, internal oblique muscle, external oblique muscle, and iliacus os major. Quadratus lumborum, transversus, internal and external oblique muscle. The iliacus. Division of the common iliac artery into internal iliac artery and external iliac artery, and the ureter crossing these. Uterus and bladder. Round ligament of the uterus, uterine tube or fallopian tubes. Fembria of the uterine tube. This is ovary. Ovary attached to the uterus through ligament of the ovary, which is a remnant of gubernaculum.